Hi friends, my name is Linda and I live in Denver, Colorado. Welcome back to Epic's Read Across America Day. So last hour, Katrina in Virginia read us one of my favorite Dr. Seuss books, One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish. Virginia is on the east coast of the United States. It almost looks like a triangle. I'm going to have the redfish swim all the way to my state of Colorado, which is shaped like a rectangle on the map. Can you find Colorado before the fish gets there? Friend Eve is also going to do these activities with me.
Hi, I'm Eve.
She is from New York. The bluefish will swim there on the map. Whenever I read One Fish, Two Fish, Red Fish, Blue Fish, I think of my favorite type of fish, colorful goldfish crackers. Today we're going to do 5 fun activities with these crackers: sorting, patterns, graphing, singing, and finally eating. All you need is a bag of colorful goldfish crackers, paper, something to write with, and a plate or dish for the crackers. Before you start, be sure to wash your hands since you'll be touching the crackers before you eat them. First, let's dump a few crackers onto the plate. Not too many so we can save some for another day. I like to use my imagination, so I'm going to pretend my blue plate is the ocean. Before we start sorting, let's look at the crackers. What do you notice? Hi, Eve. Good to see you. I have a question for you and our friends at home. When you look at the plate of crackers, what do you see?
Some have smiles and some don't.
Great observation. What else do you notice?
I see lots of different colors.
Friends at home, if you notice different colors like Eve, you are a good observer. We can sort crackers in all different ways. We might want to choose to sort them with fish with smiles and fish without smiles. Or we could sort them by colors. What do you think, Eve?
Let's sort by color.
Great! How many colors do you see?
4.
I will draw 4 circles, 1 for each color. What are the colors of the fish?
I see yellow, red, green, orange.
Terrific! Now comes the fun part. We pick up a fish and sort them by color. All the red fish go in one circle and all the green in another circle. The orange fish will go here and the yellow fish will go there. Eve, are you sorting the fish at home? While you sort, what do you notice? I still have a few more to go. Since you and I have different bags and poured out a different amount, yours may be different than mine. My fish are all sorted now. Now we can have more fun. Do you want to do a pattern next, or do you want to make a graph?
Make a graph.
A graph is a good way to organize and compare how many fish there are in each group. I'm going to start by drawing a graph. You can have your mom help you. All she has to do is draw one vertical line on the left and then one horizontal line along the bottom, like this. Next, we have to label our 4 colors along the bottom line: red, orange, green, yellow. Along the side, we'll first make evenly spaced dashes, and then we will write the numbers, so we can easily see how many of each color there are. Now we'll move the fish from the circles onto the graph. I think graph tells stories in a way. A math story about how fish colors compare to one another. Just moving my fish over into the right columns. How are you doing? Wow, I noticed on my graph that there are the same number of red fish as green fish.
The most yellow and the least green.
That's so cool! My graph is also telling me that story. I wonder if it's always like that.
Can we make a pattern now?
Sure, we can make patterns. There are so many patterns you can make. I'm thinking of the story One Fish, Two Fish, and this inspires me to make a certain pattern. Patterns can help us make sense of the world and help us predict what comes next. Look carefully at my pattern. Can you tell me what color I should do next to complete it? Your turn. You can make a pattern with any number of colors and fish you want. All this fun has gotten me really hungry. Let's line up 5 fish and we'll sing a little song to them. And then we'll get to eat the crackers. The song goes like this. 5 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along comes a shark as quiet as can be. Then chomp, chomp, chomp. 4 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along comes a shark as quiet as can be. Then chomp, chomp, chomp. 3 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along comes a shark as quiet as can be. Then chomp, chomp, chomp. 2 little fishies swimming in the sea.
Along comes a shark as quiet. Chomp! Chomp! Chomp!
1 little fish swimming in the sea. Along comes the shark as quiet as can be. Chomp, 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 chomp. Thank you so much for joining me in Colorado and even New York on Read Across America Day. Stay tuned next hour when we head to Georgia to read Bartholomew and the Oobleck. Goodbye, friends.